Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can activate Google Assistant in Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to open up your Google application on your Samsung Galaxy phone and you're going to go to the Google setting. So you can click on this profile icon and you're going to scroll down until you find settings menu. Okay, in the settings menu, you can select Google Assistant or Hey Google, and you will be able to activate the Google Assistant here. Select voice match, and you're going to activate Hey Google. Okay, oops. You just need to click on this Google button to activate the Hey Google and voice match. Okay, here you can set up your voice. You just need to click on more option. Okay, and now the Hey Google is ready and we can click on next. And now my Google Assistant has been activated. And since we have Gemini, we need to choose between Google Assistant and also Gemini. So I'm going to go back to the main setting and I'm going to go to the Gemini. And if you want to use Google Assistant, you can choose Google Assistant as your assistant on your Samsung Galaxy phone. You can select Digital Assistant from Google. You can either choose Gemini or Google Assistant. If you want to use Google Assistant, select Google Assistant and the Google Assistant on your phone will be activated. Okay, I'm just going to switch. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.